Somehow my life's gone astray. So I lay me down to sleep. Please, Lord, don't take my soul away. I'm so strong.